Have you ever considered how the cleanliness of your surroundings can significantly impact your health and well-being? Picture this: a world with less clutter, fewer allergens and minimal bacteria, all contributing to a healthier you. Keeping our surroundings clean isn't merely about aesthetics, it's a vital part of maintaining our overall health. Now let's talk about cleaning supplies. They are our allies in this quest for cleanliness, our knights in shining armor, battling dirt and grime. But are they as heroic as we think? Commercial cleaning supplies often contain harsh chemicals. These not only pose a threat to our personal health, but also have a detrimental impact on our environment. These chemicals can leach into our water systems, causing harm to aquatic life and upsetting our delicate ecosystems. They can also contribute to indoor air pollution, a less often discussed but equally pressing concern. Understanding the significance of cleanliness, it's crucial to question: how can we ensure a clean environment without compromising our health or the health of our planet? The answer lies in creating your own cleaning supplies using natural, non-toxic ingredients. Imagine this: you're in your kitchen, ready to embark on a new adventure. This time, it's not a culinary journey, but a quest for cleanliness and sustainability. The first step is to gather the necessary ingredients. Look around and you'll realize that most of them are already at your fingertips: vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Vinegar, with its high acidity, is a natural disinfectant and deodorizer that can effectively kill most mold, bacteria, and viruses. Baking soda, on the other hand, is a gentle abrasive that can scrub away tough stains and neutralize odors. Essential oils, while not strictly necessary, add a pleasant aroma to your homemade cleaner and have their own antibacterial and antiviral properties. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty and create our general purpose cleaner. Start by filling a spray bottle halfway with distilled white vinegar. Then fill the rest of the bottle with water, leaving some room at the top. Add a generous spoonful of baking soda and watch as it fizzes up, combining with the vinegar to increase its cleaning power. Finally, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for that refreshing scent. Give the mixture a good shake and voila! You've just created your own eco-friendly, non-toxic and cost-effective cleaner. Now you might be wondering, why go through all this trouble when you can easily buy a cleaner from the store? The benefits of homemade cleaners are manifold. First, they're eco-friendly. By making your own cleaner, you're reducing the demand for commercially produced ones, which often come in plastic packaging. Second, they're non-toxic. Unlike many store-bought cleaners, homemade cleaners don't contain harmful chemicals that can affect your health and the environment. Lastly, they're cost-effective. The ingredients used are common household items that are relatively cheap and readily available. With just a few household ingredients, you've created a powerful cleaner that's safe for you and the environment. Today, we've learned not just about the importance of cleanliness, but also how to achieve it in an eco-friendly manner. Cleanliness and hygiene are paramount to our health and well-being. But as we've discovered, many commercial cleaning products can have a negative impact on our environment. They often contain harmful chemicals and come packaged in single-use plastic containers. By contrast, homemade cleaners are not only better for the environment, but can be just as effective. You can whip up a batch of general-purpose cleaner using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils, all of which are readily available and cost-effective. This not only eliminates the need for single-use plastic, but also reduces exposure to harmful chemicals. Isn't it wonderful to know that you can maintain a sparkling clean home without harming Mother Earth? Remember, a clean home is a happy home. And what could be happier than a home cleaned with supplies that are safe for you and the planet? Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, it's time to put it into action. Imagine the possibilities that await you in your very own kitchen or laundry room. You could be the master of your own clean domain, a domestic alchemist conjuring up potent potions from simple natural ingredients. And the beauty of it all, you have the freedom to experiment, to try different combinations and discover what works best for you. Think of it as a journey, a personal quest for the perfect homemade cleaner. And as you embark on this journey, remember, you're not alone. We're all in this together, all of us striving to create a healthier, cleaner and greener world right from our homes. So share this knowledge, spread the word, inspire others to follow in your footsteps, because every small step counts, every homemade cleaner matters. Together, we can make a difference, one homemade cleaner at a time.